Morning students, as we are studying chapter number 4 practical geometry, we have already finished with exercise 4.1 and 4.2. Now let us proceed towards exercise 4.3. I will explain the construction process. First let us see the explanation from the textbook. Let us see the other types of construction. We have already seen two types. 3 types are pending. Okay dear children. Third type is when 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are known. Okay. The example number 3, we have to construct a quadrilateral MIST where MIIS and MIIS are 2 sides. Okay. And 3 angles are given, that is angle M, angle I and angle. First you will draw the rough sketch, okay, and then first you will draw segment MI, okay, side MI, then you will draw angle I. 3 angles are known, that is angle M, angle I and angle S. So angle I 105 degree with the help of rounder, okay, not with the help of protractor. Then once you get angle I, you will mark S point because we know IS is 6.5. Now we have MI and IS side. Now with S as center, draw angle 120 degree. That is angle ISY is 120 degree. Now we also know angle M. So with M as center, draw angle 75 degree. Now these 2 angles, wherever they meet, angle M and angle S, wherever they meet is point T. Okay, we were knowing these 2 sides and we were knowing these 3 angles. So wherever these 2 angles meet, that is the 4th vertex of the quadrilateral. Hence we got quadrilateral MIST. Okay, now go through this, think, discuss and write. If you have any doubts, we'll discuss in the Google Meet. There are 4 sums in exercise 4.3. So in question number 1, 2 sides and 3 angles, similar like example 3, and also question number 2. In question number 3, 2 sides and only 1 angle is given, but one hint is given that it is a parallelogram. HEAR. It is a parallelogram. So here you can find out the other angle and you will get all the 4 angles. And here only 2 sides are given, but the hint given is that it is rectangle OKAY. So you know what are the angles of rectangle. So you can draw this rectangle OKAY very easily. Now we have learned 2 sides and 3 angles. Now it is 3 sides and 2 angles. Let us consider example number 4 where quadrilateral ABCD is to be made. So side AB, BC and CD are given and including angle B and angle C. मतलब ये sides ही बनाने वाले जो angles है वही angles दिए रहेंगे. Make a rough sketch, make segment BC, draw angle B, cut BA as 4 centimeter. So we got A, B and C. Now make angle C as 80 degree. Okay. Now we are drawing arc. BC is also given. We know AB, BC and CD, which is CD is 6.5. So from here we'll cut 6.5 like this, and hence we get our 4 vertices A, B, C, D, and our quadrilateral is complete. Again there are few sums for you to think. So think first and we'll discuss in the Google Meet. Only two sums are given in exercise 4.4. Question number 1, quadrilateral DEAR, DEAR, DE, EA and AR are given and two included angles are given. Very easy. Similarly here in quadrilateral true, three sides and two angles are given. Nothing challenging over here. So let us go towards something challenging, that is some special case. Now when it is said draw a square of side 4.5 centimeter. So it means you know all the sides and you know all the angles. So here it's not at all difficult for you to draw. Okay. Now is it possible to draw a rhombus where only two sides are given? Okay. If two diagonals are given, it is a rhombus. So we can find out that they are bisectors. We'll get the two diagonals, end of the two diagonals. And wherever we have done one kind of sum in 4.2. Okay. So whenever we'll bisect them, we'll get the four ends. Okay. Two ends of one diagonal and two ends of another diagonal. So hence we can draw rhombus ABCD when only diagonals are given. So till now we have seen 5 cases of construction where different things were given. But here in special cases, like in square, the measurement of only one side is enough and we can draw the quadrilateral. In rhombus, only two diagonals if they are given, we can draw the quadrilateral. Try these is for you. You have to try first and I am here to solve your doubts. Coming towards the last exercise, that is exercise 4.5. Question number 1, you have to draw square reed with one side is given, so you can draw. Second, you have to draw a rhombus where two diagonals are given. Yes, you can draw. Draw any one diagonal, bisect it and you will get the four ends. Then a rectangle with adjacent sides of length 5 cm and 4 cm. Yes, you can draw because you know all the angles. And parallelogram OK where two sides are given. Okay. Is it unique? Means can you make any other type of parallelogram with this? I want the answer in the Google Meet. Let's meet at 12:30. This 4.3, 4.4 and 4.5 together is one exercise for you and nothing is challenging. Okay. Thank you.